I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad. And this is our channel. Oh, there's that thing that I want to do.
And 200 feet going, and when he went over, I went over just behind him, and 200 feet going.
So
I don't
we
think
know
he
now?
ever saw me. And I
what are you
didn't know
looking
that.
at?
That's all right.
I'm just looking at how they ran the wires through here.
You're looking at, it picks up every jack pocket right there.
I want to get some of these guys right here. Yeah, I need to see how they did all that.
Is this your motor?
Yes, not my motor, but similar.
Studying this motor hardcore.
Good.
Yeah, oh yes, I was done. I'm sorry.
They're running down from there, and then they put their sensors into it.
What are you noticing?
Well, I was just curious on how where these mount, and what they did is these are remote mount. So they've got a line off the oil pressure running to this block, and these blocks are separate. So you got oil pressure, fuel pressure, and manifold pressure. So that's coming. I want to see, where does that go, Dad? Where does that line go? Probably goes down to the intake somewhere.
This braided line?
Yeah.
It goes right into this 90.
Yeah, that's the intake. Cool. So they remote mounted it because you can't get that sensor in right there because it would hit. So they run this braided hose over here, and then they got that block, and that's pretty neat. Didn't even know that existed. You put all these contactors down here.
Point.
Contactors down here, and then his shunts are down here. Ours are up here. And then he's got a fuse block here. I need to buy one of those.
Let's check the amp number first.
Oh look, it tells the temperature outside. This little strip. Record. I mean, record. put in 10 cubic inches. Air conditioner. I think that'll fit. Oh yeah, I think that's
What are you checking?
I want to see if this bulkhead connector will fit on ours because our engine mount is like this, and I want to see the about as long as my finger, and I want to see if it can be unscrewed and taken off and not hit our engine mount. Because I would like to do this instead of the normal pass-through. Oh, this is neat. Look how the loom, how there's a break in the loom with this connector here. And it allows wires to come out of the loom. Very neat. How big those pistons are. Okay, I want to know what this is, because that's on my airplane, and I don't know what it is. Hey Dad, check out the intake. So remember I was saying the oil pan and the intake is all one piece? Look how the runners go up, and then go up into the intake part, the combustion chamber.
It's very hard and durable.
Come around with those pipes. And that other airplane, or that airplane over here,
It's enough.
he had a bung right around here, and that's where the manifold pressure went. Down the bottom, and they had that truss with that gear out of that carbon cover. That one that was for sale, that brands that was for sale out in San Antonio, he had this system.
What is it?
It's just a different way. Like if you have a no, he had the same motor we did. Ours comes down here, and then remember the intake that, or the air cleaner that I built. This one goes straight through. There's some airplanes with a truss system and a gear leg here, so it has to clear all that. So they put it forward here, but it's just a different oil pan intake assembly. We have electronic ignition, and these are PMAGs. So these run off of a gear drive system. One of the reasons we don't have these is because the engine's so close to the firewall. You'd have to take the engine out to service these things, but it has been done. Beautiful.
Yeah, your manifold pressure will go there.
We're gonna have to do a 90 here because our what's that called, the cowling that goes around the engine for the air runs right flush with this, and so we're gonna have to have some kind of 90 here.
That's kind of what he got to do. And that's for your oil pressure.
Right here.
It's right here.
Okay.
Either
Right.
one of those. But I'll send you a picture.
Ours, I think it goes here, so that'll be perfect.
You use this one right here?
Yes, right here. This one's not tapped, but if it,
On your engine, there'll be a
okay, good deal.
there'll be a plug.
What
right
about
there.
here?
No,
What is that?
you're gonna have an oil cooler line coming
Oh,
out of there,
okay.
but
Okay,
that's not where you're going to pick up pressure.
gotcha.
But let me get your email address.
Okay. So this, I've been curious what this thing was, is an oil pressure adjustment, JB told me. So he said as the engine ages and your oil pressure drops, you can turn this valve in here and increase the oil pressure. He's going to send us some information on break-in procedures and where the manifold pressure, which is right here. I wonder if it can go here.
That's what he's got plugged in.
Right here?
Oh, right here.
What is this?
On this valve there.
And then the oil pressure is
I don't see it on this one.
different. Yeah, somewhere right in here. Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up,
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad?
and Chad.